Do you usually exercise? Yes, I do. Doing exercise is one of my good habits. What sport do you play? Swimming is my favorite. I also play tennis. How often do you exercise? I go jogging almost every day before breakfast. When did you start doing exercise? Just last year, actually. Is there anyone who does exercise with you? I go jogging with my older brother. He's a good company of mine. What benefits can you get from exercising? Well, a lot. Exercise helps reduce fat and build muscles. It also keeps me awake mentally during the whole day. Where do you exercise? At a nearby park. There are some exercise machines for people to use. Why do you exercise? I like moving. For me, life without moving is like a picture without color. Do people in your country do much exercises? I don't think so. They're so busy working that they forget to do exercise. What if people don't do enough exercise? Obviously, they'll gain weights fast and become obese.